Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from PayPal using instant transfer in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from PayPal using instant transfer in the USA, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the My Wallet section on your dashboard. You will see your available balance displayed prominently. Next, click on the Transfer Money option. A menu will appear with different withdrawal options. Select Transfer to your bank. You will now see the available banks linked to your PayPal account. If you have not linked a bank yet, you will need to do that first. To link a bank, click Link a Bank. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Once your bank is linked, return to the Transfer menu. Choose the bank account to which you want to transfer funds. You'll then see two options, Standard Transfer and Instant Transfer. Select the Instant Transfer option. PayPal will inform you that there may be a fee for this service. Review the transfer amount and fees, if applicable. Ensure your bank account is correct before proceeding. Click on the Next button to continue. Review your transfer details one last time. Once confirmed, click on the Transfer Now button. You will receive a notification that the transfer is in process. The funds should arrive in your bank account almost immediately. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the transaction is complete. If you encounter any issues, consult PayPal's help section for guidance. Now you know how to withdraw from PayPal using instant transfer in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.